Okay, so hello everyone. Today in this video we're gonna discuss about classification based on Caelom. Okay, so now we have basically the bilateral symmetry organisms, bilaterally symmetrical organisms. Okay, so these bilateral symmetrical animals are basically classified into three groups. These are classified into three groups on the basis of what? On the basis of body cavity or coelom. Three groups based on what? Coelom. Okay, so these are divided into three groups based on coelom. So if I do talk about number one, which is acoelomates, acoelomates. Now, what are these? These are basically the simple animals such as flatworms, or we can say those animals which have lack internal space or coelom between their body wall and their gut. Here we have lack of coelom, lack of internal space between, we can say, between their body wall and gut. ठीक है, ये एक ऐसे एसिडोमेट्स हैं जो कि क्या होते हैं, जो जिनके पास है ना स्पेस बिल्कुल नहीं होती इनकी वॉल के, बॉडी वॉल में और गट में बिल्कुल स्पेस नहीं होती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नोन एज एसिडोमेट्स. ठीक है. So now another we have pseudocoelomates. I'll explain you with the help of diagram too. First, let's look these three. Second one we have pseudocoelomates. So now these are basically the animals such as roundworms, or here we were having what? Here we were having platforms, platyhelminthes. Okay, so these are basically pseudocoelom are roundworms in which we have what? We have the cavity which is incompletely lined with the mesoderm. Cavity incomplete lined with mesoderm. Means here we have cavity which is lined on the body wall, but it is not lined on the gut of mesoderm. So yeah, these are known as pseudocoelomates. So if I do talk about third one, which are coelomates. So now coelomates are basically the animals, for example, Annelida to the chordata, phylum from Annelida to chordata. They have what? They have coelomates. Okay, so in these we have what? True body cavity. True body cavity. Okay, so true body cavity, which basically simply means they are completely lined with mesoderm. They are basically completely lined with what? Completely lined with mesoderm. Okay. So yeah, now if I can show you here the diagram, so have a look. You can see the image. These are basically the coelomates, in which we can say this is the ectoderm, this is the mesoderm, and this mesoderm is lined with the coelom, and then again this we can say this one there, which is also lined with the mesoderm. After the pseudocoelom, we have this one is a ectoderm, this one is a mesoderm, and this layer is only lined with this mesodrum. And third, we have this one ectodrum, and this one what? This one endodrum, and this is mesodrum here, and this is mesodrum. Sorry, these are acoelomares in which we don't have mesodrum. So here we have, this is ectodrum and this is endodrum, and we don't have any mesodrum. Okay, so I hope this is also clear to you.